In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and share your Amazon Prime benefits. So if you didn't already know that when you have Amazon Prime, you can go ahead and share your benefits such as Prime Delivery and Prime Video with your friends and your family. So to be able to do this, obviously you will need to head over to Amazon. And then once you are on Amazon, you'll be on this page here, which is obviously the home page of Amazon. And from here, what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner where it says Hello Ryan Account and List. If you click on the drop down menu here, you need to scroll down until you find an option saying Your Prime Membership. Once you click on Your Prime Membership, you'll be redirected over to this page here. And on this page, what you can do is you can sit and read through all the Prime benefits you get when you are a subscriber to Amazon Prime. But if you want to share your Prime benefits, what you can do is simply scroll down until you find something called Share Your Prime Benefits, which is this little section here. And as you can see, invite someone special to share the best of Prime. So share your Prime benefits with someone you live with, including unlimited one-day delivery, Prime Video, Prime Reading and more. So if you want to invite somebody to be on your Prime, what you can do is click on Invite Someone Now. Once you click on Invite Someone Now, all you need to do now is enter in their name in this box and then enter in their email address in the field below. So I will go ahead and do that now. Once you have entered in the details of the person that you want to share your Prime with, you can now click on the Continue button. So once you click on Continue, as you can see, you and the person that you do share your account with must agree to share wallets in order to share select Prime benefits. So if you are happy with that, what you can do is simply click on the yellow Agree and Send Invite button, which is this button here. Once you click on this button here, what that will do is it will add the person that you have invited to your Prime, and they can then enjoy Prime benefits such as one-day delivery and Prime Video. So that's how you can go ahead and share your Amazon Prime.